This is Ken Anderson from Myeloma 2014, and this is the 6th annual meeting that we've had where we bring together experts in the basic science and translation and clinical research in multiple myeloma. And we basically have a very important workshop, think tank, much interaction, and undoubtedly progress has been fast-forwarded as a consequence. This year in 2014 was extraordinary, characterized by the progress in genomics, epigenomics, immunology, entirely novel therapies, and we're now defining stringent CR, MRD, or minimal residual disease negativity in a way that's never been possible before. Better therapies and better metrics of success can't help but translate to a better outcome. We're really excited because given the pace of progress in all of these areas about Myeloma 2015, which the date will be announced, but it will be in late April 2015, and I hope all of you will be very excited to attend as I will be.